Alright, in this video we're going to go over the knowledge check and maybe a couple practice tests for the Access video exam. So let's get started. Which is an advantage of using the pan, tilt, roll, zoom, PTRZ functionality found in the Access Q36 network cameras? It simplifies installation as no manual adjustments are required with the remote PTRZ functionality. Drag and drop here. I think that is correct. Yep. What technology enables an Access camera to capture color images in low light conditions? This is going to be Light Finder. What is true for lenses? The smaller the f-stop, the more light can pass through to the image sensor. Access Zipstream technology, select 2, fully compatible with H.264, reduces the bit rate. No. Okay. So it is always H.264 compatible, but it also preserves relevant details. Access Zipstream technology. What is true for Access thermal cameras? They can perform in fog, smoke, and complete darkness. Which open network standard ensures interoperability between network cameras and video management software? That's ONVIF, that's the Access Open Network Standard between network cameras and video management. Which is true for H.264? I think it's this iframes one. This is a little bit tough. I think it could be also this movement one. But yes, it's went with the gut. If which is true for H.264? If the transmitted bit stream is damaged, iframes are needed as synchronization points. What is the default IP address for all Access network devices? It ends in .0.90. The full address 192.168.0.90. That's the default IP. Oh, we got frozen there. Restart this. Camera hardening is the process of protecting the camera against cyber attacks, actually. What's the drawback of using multi-mode fiber rather than single mode? It's going to cover shorter distances. Which device is used to configure a VLAN virtual local area network to logically separate traffic? It's going to be a managed switch. The purpose of using multicast and an IP-based video surveillance system is to save bandwidth by only sending the video stream over the network link once. System design. One advantage of using onboard storage for network video is you can optimize for low bandwidth and get high quality streams. That's for onboard storage. What can cause higher bitrate? Increase in noise. Increase in noise, again, noise relates to low light conditions causing amplification of noise and causing the bitrate to become higher. Dark rooms generate a high bitrate in videos. If the lens calculator for Axis cameras is fed with the appropriate resolution and focal length, it can calculate the distance to the object. Appropriate resolution, focal length, and the lens calculator will calculate the distance. What is true for IR light? It's nearly invisible to the human eye. Which of these statements are true when migrating an analog video system to a digital one? Analogs can be retained, but coax cabling must be replaced by Ethernet. It's going to be these last two, I believe. Video encoders can convert the analog signal to digital. Media converters can enable the use of Ethernet over coaxial cabling. Access product knowledge. If built-in IR illuminators are required, which camera should a system designer recommend? I'm going to go with the one that has L because this means illumination, or LED, I believe, for their product naming convention. A privacy mask can reduce bandwidth and storage and also prevent operators from seeing certain sections. What's an advantage of using PTRZ? Talked about this. Simplifies installation. No manual adjustments needed. Did this one also, we'll do it real quickly. Which technology enables an Axis camera to capture color images in low light? Light finder. Installation. Which feature allows the user to adjust the camera's focus after installation using the camera's web interface? That's remote focus. Which tool simplifies the maintenance in systems with a higher number of cameras? That's going to be Axis Device Manager. If there's a problem with the camera but the camera is still accessible, the user should download a server report. When a user restores the settings of an Axis device, which of the following parameters remain unchanged? The default IP and the IEE 802X settings. Which letter code is used together with numbers to indicate the degree of protection against the intrusion of foreign solid objects and liquids? It's IP, I believe, IP. Which is true for lenses. Smaller the f-stop. Went over that. Axis Zipstream technology, fully compatible with H.264 and preserves relevant details. Thermal cameras can see through fog, smoke, and complete dark. ONVIF, we did this one. I think we did this already. H.264, if the transmitted bit stream is damaged, iframes are needed as synchronization points. Alright, so that's the knowledge check. Let's do some practice tests here. We'll stop it here. Thanks.